Second place, Diana. Third place, Emma.
I'm
eating ice cream.
No.
No, it's only half of it. Because yesterday after competition, we got some ice cream, and then I ate half of the tub, and I'm eating the other half. Yeah, I don't have practice today and tomorrow. Бэлтгэл байхгүй because манай coach ингэж амарч байгаа. Тэгээ манай D-form-ыг харж байгаа. So манай routine-ыг харж байгаа. Тэгээд ингэж sorry, changing is just changing.
Чи яг тэмцээнд орсон юм шиг л одоо ингээл идэх юм а те. Яагаад ингэж идэх вэ?
Because I love ice cream.
Том савтай нэг адил идчих юм а. Хорин 5 секунд. Бараг 30 секунд болчихлоо.
That's not too bad.
Нэ?
What happened to it?
Morning time, the day is one. Sun against it, and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, as time slips away. Little things that bring us out to me. Like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me. The counting fades a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day where every small thing lights the way.
Go. Okay? Давай let's do only this with the music. And try to follow the music with param, param, not just without the rhythm. Okay? From what when you prefer. Face here. Yes, in. Yes, good. Поняла? Make sense? Молодцом. Так, давай once again from start. Face. Nice. Tighter here. Good. Smile. Salam. The arm. Nice. Side bend. Good. From heel. Push. Yes. Good. Nice. In. Boy. You okay? Huh? Yes or not? Not? Victor, come to me.
좋아요. 맛있네. 맛있어. 있잖아.
О, ага. И?
Я персонально. 훨씬 없지만
Yeah.
하나도 없지.
Here and here. I fell, like I twisted my foot at gymnastics and that hurts on this side. This one just
이렇게 세상에 이렇게 있어요.
4 hours and 30 minutes.
야, персонально.
Yeah, I understand.
이거 마사지 해주고.
Yeah.
Times changing legs. And squeeze your knees each time you go to second and deep clear, no double clears when you go to fifth, okay? Let's go with the music. And second and fifth. Second and stay clear. And second and fourth. Second to fourth, second, one more time, fourth, fifth, Okay, ready? Now change and good. Now change. Again, each time step from your toes. And don't look down. Look at your right paw. First, don't rush. Let's go to the front. Look to your right paw. Round elbows. Now pop the bubble and go to the second. Soft fingers. Good. And Balanja first. Now first. Look at your left. Now go up and meet in first. Open second, third. Open to the third. Allonge. Go to your third vertebra down, straight back. Let's go down, straight back. Good. And we're going up to third position. Deep breath and look at your right arm. Good. Don't drop your right arms up. Ivy. Up. Open. And let's go to your fourth. Follow your left and open from corner to corner. That's corners. And close to first. Soft. Let's open. And let's go to your circular fifth vertebra. Straight back. Okay, good. Turn to the side, and let's go to your sixth. Go down, it's okay, and up. Plie into circular vertebra. Point your right foot, Ariana. Point, good. And close.